Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the car and isolating the system. Safety first. Once the battery is disconnected and the car is supported, remove the splash shield to expose the gearbox. Now drain about 0.5 L of oil into a clean pan and tag connectors so you can reattach them later. Make sure to lay out the new V4 gears and compare tooth profiles. Matching the parts now prevents misfit during install. Continue immediately to disassemble the shift linkage. You unbolt the shift linkage and separate the selector mechanism, photographing each step so reassembly is exact. Once accessible, remove retaining clips, bearings, and slide the old V4 gears off their shafts with a puller if they're tight. Clean all mating surfaces and inspect splines and bearings for scoring or play. Measure against spec limits and replace any worn components. If everything checks out, grease splines lightly and position the new gears, aligning timing marks before you press them on. You fit the new V4 gears, making sure indexing marks line up and seals are fresh. Torque all fasteners to spec. Once assembled, refill the gearbox to the manufacturer's level with the correct oil, reconnect the battery, and reattach the splash shield. Then check shifting by hand through the range before a cautious road test. If you hear grinding or notice slipping, stop. Key troubleshooting. Verify gear alignment marks and verify bearing per load. Misalignment or incorrect torque causes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.